Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change Bluetooth connection quality for your headphones Sony XM6. You have to start by open Sony Sound Connect application, and if you add your headphones to the application you will see the same menu as I have. Now scroll down and go to device settings. After that you will be in the sound, so you need to scroll down again, and right here we have Bluetooth connection quality, so tap on it, and here is two modes, so you can select stable connection or sound quality. It's up to you to change it, just tap at the best one for you. I need to sound quality, so I click on it and then click OK. And we did it. Also, if you enable it on your Android device, you will enable DAC codec. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.